we're going to do example 2. Example 2 is just like example 1. I think in the book, example 1, they wanted you to do some guessing and testing. I just hate that with a purple passion, and I don't ever want anybody to go through that. So that's why I went ahead and showed you how to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you A and C, and I'm going to leave the rest of them for you for extra credit, 1 point each, since I've already taught the concept. So remember, we're going to do our 2 quantities. I need factors of 8 whose sum, they add up to be 6. Now if you need to, you can't visualize it, then you need to write out your factors, okay? Only one of those adds up to be 6, and that's 2 and 4. So put a positive 2 in one quantity and a positive 4 in the other, and you're done. Now I would, because you are in the beginning stages, go ahead and check that and make sure that it actually works. Because sometimes you feel so confident about your answer, and yet it is so wrong. Sometimes that does happen, and if you just checked it, you may catch your error. Now C, because it has that negative sign right there, we do want to be very careful. The main reason is because we're looking for factors of positive 16. Well, there's 2 ways to get positive 16. You can do a positive times a positive or a negative times a negative. They both give you positive 16. So we can do 2 times 8, negative 2 times negative 8. 3 doesn't work. 4 times 4, negative 4 times negative 4. Okay, only one of those 6 pairs of factors actually adds up to be negative 10. There's only one pair, and it's not any of these, because those are all positive. You can't add 2 positive numbers and get a negative number. You can only add 2 negative numbers and get a negative number. So, in this case, so let's go ahead and circle negative 2 and negative 8, because we know that negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16, and negative 2 plus negative 8 is negative 10. So put one of them in one quantity and the other in the other quantity, and there you go. So the rest of them I'm going to leave to your own devices. I just want to see what you can do here. So I'm going to give 1 point for each of these, okay? If you can show me how to factor these all by a little lump sum, I will give you 1 extra point. So good luck.